How to create a thumbnail for your YouTube video. Hi everyone, I am Zubair Ahmed, and in this video I am going to show you a free tool or a free website you can use to create a thumbnail for your YouTube video. So first off, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification. So as you know that thumbnail is very important for your YouTube video. Let's go to the website. So this website is canva.com. So here actually you can create your thumbnail or any design that you want to create for your presentation, logo, Instagram post, poster or video also. So we will search here the YouTube thumbnail and it will show us built-in templates. So here are some built-in templates available. Many of them are free, but some are paid also, like this one is paid, but we will use the free one. So let's select this one. Here it is. You can change the text, the photo, to everything. For example, I want to edit here background and background video, for example, and here my channel name, real one. So here it is, and here you can change the picture also. For example, I will go to the photos and here we will search, for example, video. So as you can see, you can create a very attractive thumbnail from here, and you can use the elements from here which will make your thumbnail very attractive. And you can change the color also from here. For example, I like black, blue, not white. So you can crop it and you can do whatever you want with just few clicks. You can write text, you can add audio, photos, you can upload your photos and everything that you want to do. And there are many templates available. You can choose whichever you like. So this was a simple video to show you how to create your thumbnail, and you can download it from here in the PNG format, and as you can see, it has been downloaded. So thank you. If you like this video, kindly share it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.